Set to go now, race number 6. Horses out, take it. Or leave it past the beginning Spartan. Now the Spineless moving up by the release. That is mine, putting BIA in favor. Well, and double black is the return. We have taken or leave it. That is mine. He's running by the rela. Racing in third. Now the Spineless is Spartan in fourth, putting BIA is on the outside. Then followed over by well, and double black. Take it or leave it. That is mine. Fighting it out for the leader. Putting BIA now racing in third. Spartan is racing in fourth. Alta Spineless in favor. That is mine. Take it or leave it. Fighting it out for the leader. Putting BIA in third. Here comes Spartan in fourth. Then followed by Alta Spineless. That is mine. Moving up. Take it or leave it. Putting BIA. Spartan is running by the fourth. That is mine. The leader by about 2 lengths. Take it or leave it. Putting BIA. Spartan on the outside. Alta Spineless as they come down to the last of the player. Putting BIA by about 2 lengths. Alta Spineless now moving up to take second. And racing in third is Spartan. Putting BIA. Alta Spineless giving the final burst of energy. But it's still putting BIA. Alta Spineless. That is mine. Take it or leave it, Spartan.
Very exciting race for race number 6. Ang ating pong unofficial winner, your 6 horse, that's Puting Biyaya, na nirendahan ni RC Tabor. Masa segundo dyan, numero 7, Alta Spineless, numero 1. That is mine for your trifecta and for your quartet, numero